The prosecutor in the trial of former media tycoon Jimmy Lai today presented multiple news clippings from Apple Daily as evidence of Lai's seditious intent. This is the fifth day of the landmark trial of Lai, the founder of Apple Daily. Lai is charged with 3 national security offenses to which he pleaded not guilty on Tuesday. Mimo Singhai reports.
There was heavy police presence, including armed officers and police dogs outside the West Kowloon Law Court today. As the national security case of Jimmy Lai continued, prosecutor Anthony Chow made his opening statement this morning. Chow presented numerous news clippings from Apple Daily published during the 2019 protests period. He said those articles were published with a seditious intention, urging the public to participate in protests and asking foreign countries to impose sanctions against China and the SAR. In April 26, 2019, Lai texted former Next Digital CEO Zhang Kim-hong about an interview with Lam Wing-gay from Causeway Bay Books. The interview was published on the front page of Apple Daily the next day, asking people to protest. Lai also told Zhang that Democratic politicians wanted the newspaper to interview Chris Patten, a former governor of Hong Kong, as a way to appeal for Hong Kong residents to take to the streets. On May 21, 2019, Lai attended a talk at the Foreign Correspondents' Club in Central. In his speech, the ex-media tycoon said the extradition bill was harmful and described the then chief executive Carrie Lam as very evil. The prosecution also said Lai had published articles on other media platforms, such as this commentary piece on the Wall Street Journal. The article was titled "There's Hope for Freedom, Even in China," which talked about gaining freedom. The prosecution argued the purpose of the English edition of Apple Daily, introduced before the implementation of national security law, was to receive financial support and political protection from the United States. Lai and his assistant Mark Simon hoped U.S. politicians, including the former Vice President and Secretary for State, would subscribe to the English news. News 9, TVB News.